Hello everybody, my name is Mcclendon. This video is going to be about the dollar, gold and silver, some crypto, and what's been happening with the United States economy. I will go over some details, so please pay attention because it's definitely going to help you guys out when it comes to investing, especially in the long term, and help you out for 2021 coming up. So let's look at it. So right now we're looking at the dollar. Dollar's sitting at 90.25. Now the dollar has been taking some massive hits in 2020. We're gonna get that right now on this chart, and you can see the dollar might look around this area to be doing a bounce, but what I'm thinking now is that the dollar is taking such punishment from the Federal Reserve and losing a lot of confidence around the world that it might break this area and head down to much lower. So what that means for you Forex traders, that if you see the dollar as a pair, you might want to go the opposite and short that or go long, just anything that if the dollar goes down. But you want to make sure that the other currencies too may be going up in value at the same time. So for me, since the dollar has been going down so much, I've been moving a lot of my stuff overseas, doing a lot of international investments, getting with other brokers that pay in different currencies. So, and this makes that the payout even better. But let's actually check out the next chart right here. So we got gold right here. I've been always telling people to buy gold. Actually, if you want to buy gold, go ahead. For me, I buy gold all the time, and I think this area is a really good time to buy. I think it's going to make extremely higher highs and just keep on taking off. But this is on the weekly, and we can check it out on how it looks in the monthly. But and for me, gold's going to go much higher. The Federal Reserve is going to print to basically infinity, especially with this last stimulus bill they try to get through. It's just going to keep on going. But I'll show you guys another chart coming up. So now we're going to be looking at silver, guys. And let's see what silver's doing right now. So silver's sitting at 25.94. Actually, let me refresh this a little bit. But silver, same thing. I mean, I've been telling everyone what I'm doing. I'm buying SLV, SLVO, and GLD, and I forgot the other ticker for it. But you can look at my previous videos to talk about it. But I think this is a good way to get into silver, precious metals, and gold. The reason why I get into the markets for those because they're a little bit more liquid, they're a lot faster for the gains, and I can take it out, move the money to a different asset class. Because I mean, I'm not really into stocks, but if there's a stock that's cheap, that's going to be a short term, buy, I'll look into it. But see, this is been buying out. I've been pushing up higher. I think silver's going to be breaking through this 50 high over here, much higher. So we'll check out the gold silver ratio to see which one's better to be looking at. So for me, I buy both, but when it comes to this area, I buy more silver than gold. So like 300 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold. That's my ratio. Just tell me what is your guys' ratio. What do you guys prefer? I actually prefer way more silver than gold, but both for winners. But this is how it is. Now we'll check out the Fed balance sheet. Since the coronavirus and since like early this year, last year, look, the Fed has been doing massive amounts of printing, and we're currently seeing like almost about zero for our interest rates. I think it's going to definitely change, especially when the dollar starts getting beat up even harder, and things start catching up, and gold's going to start catching up to this price gain. And if we start printing even more for the Fed's balance sheet, it's going to go even higher, up to the moon. Gold should go up there and definitely do massive amounts of gains in price in dollars. Also, we look at gold price in other currencies has been doing absolutely amazing. But you guys can check that out. But what I do want to talk about also is XRP. XRP has been doing really good lately, especially all the other cryptos. But recently, it's been taking some getting beat up. So for me personally, I do like XRP way more than I do like Bitcoin. I'm going to go to that chart a little bit next, but as this is going to be decreasing, I will be buying here and there. If it goes down to the 10 level, just buying. I mean, I'm not buying a lot when it comes to crypto versus my portfolio. I buy way more precious metal stocks, mining stocks. I love mining stocks. I've been doing really good lately, and it paid out some good dividends for their annuals. So it depends on where you're at. For me, cryptocurrency may be like 5 or 10% of my portfolio, but not that much compared to everything else. Precious metals is definitely the biggest. Also, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. Check this chart out. So here's Bitcoin on the daily. Check it on a monthly. All-time highs. So this is crazy. People who buy into Bitcoin, I mean, For me, I don't want any part of this up here. I exited out way earlier, way earlier, and I don't have any of these gains right now. But I'm not mad about it. You shouldn't be mad about missed trades or missed stuff like that. It happens. I exited with a big profit, and I hope you guys do too. But I wouldn't be buying up here. I think it's kind of dangerous, because if it does pull back and it doesn't take a long time to get back, it may be very painful. So it's up to you if you guys are buying it. Just tell me if you guys are. What are you guys doing with crypto? Just drop a comment below. But here's my website, AndrewJMcClendon.com. So please, guys, tell me what you guys think about it. Watch this little intro video. Tell me about that also. But if you guys want to learn more about precious metals, just click the gold and silver. I put up a whole bunch of cool links there, and so you guys can be able to find it. If you want to find more about my YouTube channel or more about my group, just check the link below. It's the Telegram group. It's free. I just talk about what I'm doing, share some updates, and that's it, guys. I hope you guys find out how this give you some value, give you some more perspective about what's happening to the dollar, or encourage you to get out of the dollar, get into other asset classes or international investing. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video style. I was kind of tired wearing my suit right now, and it's actually getting washed. So, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.